What's going on, everybody? How are you doing out there this wet day? I am meeting James over in LeClaire. We got a customer that's moving to Florida, lucky them. And they've sold the house, they moved out, and we are picking up the leftovers. Not sure we're gonna find, not sure if we're gonna find any treasures, but let's go get some trash. Yep, I think so. It's a little bit of a maze.
This is a nice house.
Beautiful, beautiful house.
We're downsizing.
We're gonna put all those mattresses should be on the right. Put them up. I was just gonna ask you if you want them. You can.
Wow. Huh.
What?
That's not what I thought you were doing, but it worked.
I know that's not an original idea, but you do what you got to do. Is there? What's going on here?
Seems low, doesn't it?
Yeah, she does.
Seems way low.
I don't know.
Yeah, this side's way low. This side's that much lower. Leaf spring broke, maybe?
Get that office area figured out here.
Yep, you're right. I don't know if that'd be the leaf spring or not. I mean, maybe.
I don't know, but
I like it. I just want to make sure what we're taking. What we're talking about here. How's your back holding today?
good. I put some icy hot on it and
Did you?
took 4 leave before I left, or Advil or whatever.
Yeah, okay. Just make sure you don't hurt us.
The movie.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Lift it up.
What you got going on?
There we go.
It's spread all over the house. Okay, that's not much. That's not much.
It'll be the last load.
Okay. Better bust that down.
I was going to do that. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you take possession of it. Actually, 17 or 18.
You got the box.
Yeah,
Find anything good so far?
nothing good.
Oh boy.
Nothing good.
Well, I mean, it's better than anything I get.
Oh. Yeah, we gotta get that file cabinet from upstairs.
Yep. Picture frames.
Yeah, okay.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
Well, I could use that. My back's been bothering me. I'll just take that home and see if it works.
So, you want to go straight to the truck?
Yep.
Good.
Okay. Okay. Huh.
All right. Oh well. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting wet today.
That's for sure.
Look at you go.
Oh. My gloves are all wet, James.
What was that?
My gloves are all wet.
I know, so are mine.
Stay. Watch your head, okay?
She a full load butterscotch.
She is full. Why my butterscotch?
I don't know, because you could.
It's right there. Will fit right there.
I don't know.
There we go.
You know that.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful Saturday morning, finally. It's like in the 60s here and the wind's blowing. It's perfect. And we have a job here that we are cleaning out this basement. And this is everything we pulled out so far. So, haven't had a chance to really look through anything yet, but we'll see if we can't find any treasures in here today. All right, everybody, we got that pile out here. We're gonna put it in and see if there's anything exciting. All right.
Yeah, I was just moving stuff like that.
Yeah, no, I'm just taking a quick peek. Nothing exciting there. Thanksgiving. Are we gonna get thanks? Ooh. Thanksgiving treats. Want some popcorn?
Is it a one day only deal?
One day only.
One day only, Saturday only?
Yeah.
Special?
Alright, I don't want any of that. James is gonna have to play Jenga, or not Jenga, what's the one? You put the shapes together?
Oh, Tetris.
Tetris, there you go. Alright, we got a EC helmet. DOT approved.
Yeah, there's another helmet in there too.
Alright. I don't know if they have value or not. Here's James's live boats.
Hey, I used to have a double lifeboat.
Yeah.
Hanging out on ponds.
Some stuffed animals that have seen better days. Strobe light. Want a strobe light, James? No?
No.
Oh, there you go. Let's put that on the van. Put that on the box truck.
Should have had the vacuum for the battery.
Ooh, that's blow mold. That could be vintage blow mold too. I don't know. Nope, probably new, but that's okay. All right,
This one done?
that one's done. Plastic totes coming up. And this one here is pretty much empty. We could throw some more stuff in it if you want.
I ain't too worried.
I ain't too worried. Okay,
I just want the totes.
roger that. Oh,
Stacking purposes only.
looks like we got,
The
ooh,
microscope?
microscope, vintage Snoopy. Bead kits.
I don't know where that's been.
What is that? What is that?
G.I. Joe.
You sure?
Yeah, this is right at the top.
Oh, it says G.I. Joe. That vintage G.I. Joe too. Okay, well, you know what? I want to. When we get the landfill, we'll keep that out. Okay.
This is what
weasel ball. Remember those?
No, I really don't.
Really?
Uh-uh.
It's a little ball that rolls around on the floor. It looks like it's an animal grabbing onto it.
You don't want it, dude.
No, I just remember it from
Back in the day.
when I was a kid. Someone's personal collection of
Oh, wow.
beer bottles. Motorcycle helmet number 2, everybody. Looks like some Halloween stuff.
Hey! Seems like in my head.
Oh, it's so you, man. Steampunk.
I can't.
Woo!
Okay.
You can't see out of it?
No, I can see. I just,
Oh.
I accidentally flipped off the camera.
Accidentally flipped off the camera. Oh, that's funny.
Times.
Oh, and look at this. There's a top hat to match. All right. Yeah.
Hey, you know me. Well,
No?
my actual hat, I'm not gonna do that hat too.
All right. See how you are. Boo.
I ain't even gonna lie.
What do you think of this? Acid cigars. I never heard of that before. You? Acid cigars?
No, not at all.
Here you go. How about a wings kit?
Wicked Wings?
Wicked wings kit.
Never heard of it.
You can fly around the bedroom with your wife.
Because I just got done telling you 2 years ago, I was tired of spending money left and right. In the
So
meat,
this. Oh, we still got to get this
and
stuff
I
here,
think these.
and that cabinet there's got to go too, and then what's on top?
Cabinet and
Yeah.
stuff on top. Okay, so let's take. I think we can do it.
Okay.
That didn't fly for me, you know.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Hey, way to go.
No, I need.
Whew.
So they said they're. Super heavy, just awkward. And the stairs are small. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
More.
Oh, you can push toward me. There's room. There you go.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Check camera. Yeah, normal. Make it all fit like I always do.
You did. You did a good job, man. Wow.
Yeah, she's heavier.
Holy cow! I would have never guessed that.
Either would I. That's why you want. How we want to do this.
Wow.
All right, if you can go, I'm going.
Okay.
All right, and then we'll sort it out. There we go.
Down.
Oh, lock it in. I gotta unlock it.
Okay. I'll go grab those other pieces. Is that gonna ride okay like that?
Yeah.
Okay. We're back here at the property. We're gonna see if this bad boy works or not. Ready? Clear. Oh, the switch isn't even connected. Oh well, so much for that.
No fuse.
Well, everybody, unfortunately the table saw did not work, so that means it's going to become scrap metal, and believe me, that's not a terrible thing because that is a heavy, heavy piece of metal. And we didn't get too many treasures out of these 2 cleanouts, but that's okay too. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. I hope you still enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Be safe out there, and we will see you at the next cleanout. We got 2 really good videos coming up from 2 large cleanouts, so I can't wait for you to see them. Take care, everybody. Be safe out there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.